MyCare, it's the system that allows us to cool the cabin quickly, to be able to disassemble it and clean it. Where do we find MyCare? We go back to cooking, the lower part below MyCare. We press. It asks if we want to insert a tray with ice. For what? To go much faster, to cool it down. If you think it's not necessary, we press OK. And from this moment, the equipment expels the hot air from inside the cabin, but we have to open the door.
We open the door.
And in this way, we manage to cool the equipment so we can disassemble it for that daily cleaning of our equipment. And remember, for cleaning our equipment, Mychef provides the detergent and protector for the cabin. Then also remember that when we disassemble the cabin, there is only one part that cannot go in the dishwasher, okay? All the others can. With that, you have no excuse not to clean the equipment every day, given how simple it is.